couch.me guitar lessons. Hey there, Licknriffers, and welcome back to another awesome arrangement lesson here on Licknriff, in which we're going to learn You're the One That I Want from Greece. So first I'm going to play you the arrangement so you can see and hear how it goes, and then we're going to break it down lick by lick, note by note, with tabs right here on the screen as usual. It goes like this. Enjoy. Okay, so put on A minor. Okay, your normal run-of-the-mill beginner A minor. And before you start playing, check out the free workshop, the free 3-hour workshop that's waiting for you right now at licknriff.com as a gift from me to you, my beloved Licknriffers. You're the one that I want. Okay, so A minor. And it's basically just bass, chord, but there's an alternating bass if you want to keep the original Grease feel. So it's the 5th string, and then it's the chord. Okay, I play strings 2, 3, and 4. And then it's the E bass string, and then the chord. Now you can also strum, down and up. So it's if you want, or or you can combine. Whatever you want. Just go with the flow, go with what feels right. Whatever feels right to you is the right music. As long as you feel the music comes alive. All right, so it's A minor, and then you start the verse with 0, 3 on the 1st string, and then you have A minor here. 5, 5, 5 on strings 1, 2, and 3. You can bar it, and it continues the alternating bass if you want. So you can do A and E as your bass notes. So so you have A, E, A, and then you have, it's a blues line. It's the open E string, and then the open E string gives you time to change positions back to the 1st position, and use your little finger to slide from 4 to 3 on the 2nd string, and then pull off to 1. You can slide from 5, but I like the bluesy sound more. It's a small difference, but it's a world of difference because it's either a blues or it isn't. So, so again, do whatever sounds right to you. After you do the 4 slide to 3, pull off to 1 on the 2nd string, you play 3 again, and then you have the A chord again, the A minor chord again. So, you play the A bass, and then the 1 at the end of the line, is right there in the chord. So, and then you can continue the polka style alternating bass. And then you have 0, 3 again on the first. And then you have F. So, okay, I just put on 5, 5, and 3 on strings 1, 3, and 4. Okay, that's the easiest shape to put on. You can put on the whole D shape. Okay, you can have 5, 6, 5, and 3 if you want, but I see no reason to do that because okay, you can slide right into it. Okay, and then you have 5, 5, and 3. You just don't play the second string. So strings 1, 3, and 4 on 5, 5, 3. Okay, and then the alternating bass becomes F and C. So it's okay. So it's 3 on the 4th and 5th strings. Okay, and then you have 3, 0 on the first string, and then you have C. Okay, with 3 on the first string. So it's C with a high G note. Okay, so you can embellish it by, okay, 5 slide to 3 and then pull off to 0. Okay, instead of 3, 0, 3, you can do 5, 3, 0, 3. Okay, if this fits your style, okay, you can just pick it. Okay, both of them sound perfectly fine. Okay, and with C, you have the alternating bass into G. Okay, so it's 3 on the 5th and 6th. You don't have to keep it on, only if you want to. I'm not a musical stickler. I don't believe that you should play everything exactly as it was played in the original song, because it's not the original song, it's an arrangement. Okay, this is not the original song. This is a different expression of the composition. You don't have to stick to the lyrics verbatim. You don't have to stick to the bass notes if you don't want to. And then after you do, okay, 0, 3 again on the first string, okay, it's the motif. And then you have E7. E7 this time is a D7 shape, 2 frets up. So it's 4, 3, 4 on strings 1, 2, and 3. Okay, with, sorry, I played it with A. Okay, you play it with the 6th string, you play it with E. This becomes E7. If you don't believe me, calculate it. D7, D sharp 7, E7. Right? It's right there. So the letter that comes after D, okay, it's the next letter, E. So that's the way you calculate and recalculate shapes, chord shapes and chord positions on the guitar. That's the basic way. So, okay, okay, and you can play the chord, okay, any way you want. Now, there's no alternating bass here. If you really, really want to, okay, you can do the D7 shape and leave the first finger free. Okay, and play B, okay, 2 on the 5th string as your alternating bass. I think that's overkill. I think it's unnecessary. And then you have that blues line again. Okay, so if you want to, you know, create a variation, you can play the open E string right before the A minor. Okay, and create a small variation. That's what I think I did in the demonstration. Okay, but you don't have to. And then you have, okay, the open E string, 3, 1, 3, 1 on the 2nd string. Okay, that's that extra line there. And that's the verse, right? So, chorus, 0, 3, 3 on the 1st string into C. And then you have ba, ba, ba in the background. So it's just a chord, strings 2, 3, and 4. Okay, just strings 2, 3, and 4. And then 0, 3 again on the 1st string. And then you have E minor, okay, which is just strings 1, 2, and 3, okay, with the open 6th string. And you have 5 on the 1st. And then you have, okay, 7 pull off to 5 on the 1st string, 8 on the 2nd string. You can play it twice. Okay, so again, because this is a guitar solo, The original line is just 8 ones, obviously. Okay, cause I need a man. Okay, but again, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so. Okay, and then you have A minor, again on 5, the bar on 5. And you play the bass first. And then the solo is 8, 8, 8, 8, 7, 5, 8 on the second string. Okay, just the scale. And then you have F. Okay, this time you can stay on 5 and just put the C shape on. Okay, 5, 6, 5, 7, 8. Okay, so it's. And then again, okay, C, and then E minor, A minor, okay, and then F at the end there. Now, if you really want to add a last line there, you can go to that 5, 5, 3 and bar, and play 5, 5, pull off the 3 on the first string, 6 on the second string, and then 3 on the first. Okay, and if you play 3 on the second string, that's beautiful. Okay, it's an embellishment to the chord, so it's not a mistake. Don't worry, it sounds perfectly fine. Okay, and then you go to C, bar on 8 for the one that I want. Okay, any way you want to play it is fine. Fingerstyle, strumming, and then you have. Okay, G, 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 A, C. Okay, so it's 3 on the bass, 0, 3 on the 5th string, and then you go back to C, and you just put the finger on 9 on. Okay, you bar. Okay, you're back to C on 8, so you bar 8. You press 9 on the 3rd string because this is C major. Okay, if you want to play the whole chord. And your little finger is extended to 12 on the 1st string. Okay, so this takes a little bit of practice. Okay. Okay, and then 10 on the 1st string. Okay, you can play the chord. And then you have F. Okay, the normal A-shaped bar. Okay, bar on 8 still. A-shaped. Okay, so you have 8, 10, 10 on strings 1, 2, and 3 with 8 on the 5th string. And you play this 3 times. Okay, and then this is, for me, this was the most difficult chord change in this whole arrangement. Okay, to get used to jumping into this. Okay, it's still, okay, you see I'm still struggling a little bit with it. And then it's G. Okay, so I'm playing G over D. Okay, so, okay, it's 10, 8, 7 on strings 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 10, 8, 7 with the open D string. And then, okay, it's 10 to 12, 12 to 10. Okay, and I'm back to the chord. And I start over again, or I end on A minor. And that's your arrangement. The tabs, as usual, are for free. Download them. The link is below in the description. And remember, there's a free 3-hour guitar workshop that will break your playing free of confining habits and teach you how to free up your playing and your creative expression on the guitar, so don't miss it. Okay, so again, licknriff.com. The tabs are below in the description. And thank you so much for watching. Enjoy this. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now. Have fun.